Guys, ito Isuzu Crosswind guys. Oh guys, Isuzu Crosswind. Binungkag-bungkag na naman namin guys ang clutch lining. Ito guys. Binaba namin yung transmission. Isuzu Crosswind. Ito guys, yung transmission. Isuzu Crosswind yan guys. Ah. Inalitan namin yung clutch lining guys, pressure plate at saka release bearing. Pero wala ngayon binibenta pyesa guys kasi linggo ngayon, half day lang yung mga tindahan.